Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error, Google Play Store not downloading any app. So how to fix? Go back your home screen and open your setting, and from here you tap on Wi-Fi. From here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection and turn off this toggle and turn on again after a few minutes. After that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on mobile network. From here you tap on data storage usage and tap on Google Play Store and tap on this. From here you make sure that turn off this toggle, display mobile data. If the toggle turn on, then you have turned off, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on apps and tap on again apps management. From here you search for this Google Play Store and tap on Google Play Store. From here you tap on permissions. From here you make sure that tap on all permission allow, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on force stop and tap on again force stop, and from here you tap on storage usage and tap on clear data and tap on OK. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. Go back and open your Google Play Store. From here tap on any apps and tap on install. You guys can see app is installing. If this video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.